Hello guys, in this problem we have a football of mass 150 grams. The football is being hit by foot and the football attains a speed v0, making angle theta of 60 degree above horizontal. Now for the football, the range on a level surface is 17 meter. We have to find out the impulse on the football. First, we need to find out the projection speed v0. We know that the range is v0 square times sine of 2 theta over acceleration due to gravity. Then the projection speed v0 equals square root of the range times acceleration due to gravity times over sine of 2 theta. Substitute the values. Then v0 equals